This is Fred, Fred's Auto Repair. And well, the F-150, it found a new home. Yeah, somebody wanted more than I did, but I bought something new here. So anyways, some of y'all may hate it, some of y'all may love it. A hint for you, right there, Cummins turbo diesel. Oh man, it is a 1992 Dodge 2500 with the 5.9 12 valve in it. It's got a big old sliding camper on it, but camper's pretty nice inside it. Needs some flooring work, hadn't been smoked in or anything, but pretty spacious in there. Got a bed up here, got a little bitty shower in here, shower toilet combo, got AC, but yeah, but check out this on this truck. You just slide right in here into the door. Usually these things will run about, they've known to run 400,000 or 500,000 miles, but this one has got 110,495 miles on this thing. So it is minty fresh. It's even got a CB. So anyways, well, the problem with this thing here is, well, it got run out of fuel. So it needs the injection system bled. And the brakes are down on it. But anyways, if y'all stay tuned to me just a minute, we'll get started on this work. So anyways, stay tuned. Okay, I got 5 gallons of diesel throw in here, so we'll throw her in here and we'll see about bleeding this system. So stay tuned. Okay, well, I got the battery on charge and all the injector lines are loosened. If you've ever run an old diesel out of fuel like this, well, you know why I've cracked them. And now I'm going to pull our air intake tube off the turbo and make sure there ain't a rat's nest in there. So stay tuned, I'll let you know what I find. Well, there's no mouse nest down the breather, so I'm going to blow the rest of this stuff out and hook our battery back up, see if we can't get this injection system bled. So stay tuned. Okay, well, I loosened all the injector lines and turned it over till we're getting fuel out of all of them. So, in theory, it should fire off. So let's see. Like that. Check that out. There we go, we're running. Okay, well, I got the camper unloaded. We'll work on that later on, but yeah, but she seems to be running all right. I need to fix the rear brakes on it, but I'm gonna pressure wash her first, see what she cleans up to be. So I'm gonna get these tow mirror extensions off, the hood deflector, and anything else I see. So anyways, wow, stay tuned. Well, I'm going to end the video right here. We still have some work to do to her, but I got an oil change for her. We got brakes on order, and eventually I'm going to do the killer dial pin here. But anyways, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe.